You doggy. Good, oh, hello, Americans. Another friend, subscribers around the world. Back again, man. Holy crap, man. It is... Got a heck of a breeze, man. Very cold. This crap hit probably 3 inches. That's what we got out here. It's supposed to, yeah, easy 3 inches, maybe 4. Dang, man. Supposed to be do this crap for the next 3 days, is what they're saying. That's, just weather in Idaho. If you don't like it, just wait. Could be sunny and 70 in a couple days. Crap, man! It's so dang bright out. Freaking cloud. Windy, you probably can't even hear any. Woo! Holy crap. Let's look up there, man. Dark. It's got like this patch. And just this all the way around this. Nastiness. Got one little patch of blue, man. Let me tell you, it's windy. I don't know why I'm out here without a coat on. It's crazy. Wow, dude. So, here, man, we are going with this kind of crap down, dude, and down in Texas, man. My heart and prayers, man, for all y'all down in Texas and stuff, especially up in the Panhandle. For the last week, I've had fires, insane. I've been paying attention. I meant to say something about it. All the cattle, man, that they're losing, it's going to affect, along with everything else, man. It's just like, wow. Dude. Enough's going on with, hey, I'm trying to get out of this dang wind. Enough's going on with, Mother Nature. The last thing we need is all this human cause crap that they're bringing on and trying to get us into war. And I've been in listening today, so I'm listening to podcasts and craziness, man. I could just go off on this video, man. Far I listened to the Texas thing, man, that is wicked. Nice. So much, got Mother Nature and all this stuff throwing enough at us, man. We don't need humans trying to mess with us too. We're supposed to get snow. This wind's supposed to blow till late. Overnight lows are down in the low teens for the next 2 nights. More snow. That could be this cold and this nasty here and hotter than hell and wildfires in Texas. It's a crazy world we live in. That's all I got, man, today. That's all I've done, man, is trying to hide out from the storm other than coming out and doing a few chores, taking care of animals and all that. Chris says, hey, man, we need to go back inside, don't we? There he is. That's it, man. Good Lord willing. And them creeks don't rise. We'll be back again tomorrow. See ya.